Hello dosto, welcome to my channel Mathemagic presented by Syed Mansoor Ali. My disclaimer, please note that I am not a SEBI registered analyst. I do not have any license to give you any suggestion on taking trade on any stock in equity or in any segment of trading. Please note this channel and the contents of these channels are meant for only academic purpose. Today we'll be discussing on Desi Market Profile Part 2. Market Profile Part 2. It is a continuation of my previous post on Market Profile, which I named as Desi Market Profile. Today I'll be adding some understanding on market profile concept on candlestick chart pattern to show how support resistance is taken care of. Support resistance means a demand zone and supply zone. Where we find this demand zone and supply zone? We find it in IB low or in IB high. What is IB? IB is nothing but in market profile language, it is initial balance price movement in first 1 hour from day open. Now let us see what is support. Support is a concept or a zone in chart pattern where the buyers come and stop the price from falling. What is resistance? Resistance is a zone in the supply where the supply come. The sellers are coming, putting the price down, resisting it from going high. So we'll correlate that IB high or low with demand and supply zone on chart pattern. I'm not showing any market profile chart. I'll be showing you simple candlestick chart and to find out IB high and IB low. Now let us also combine this supply zone, demand zone with my mathematical numbers. This market profile part 1, we have taken a decision where to take the trades. That means the trade decision making candles and the important candle which we were noticed in Desi market profile 1 is C period. That means the third 30-minute candle and the J period candle. If price is breaching the C period high, it is going upside. If it is not breaching high or making low or breaking low of C period low, it is going down. But when we take a trade, suppose we took a trade at C period high, price goes up, after some time the juice is over, the price drastically fallen. Why it is falling? Why it is not going upside? What resisting it from going upside? Or you sell up stock at C period low, it goes down, but the percentage of going down is not justifying your trade. You are not getting a good profit. It reverting back. Why it is reverting back? Because there is IB. It is the IB initial balance of previous day, which is taking a major role in the present candle formation. The previous day's IB high or the previous day's IB low is creating the resistance, that means supply zone, or the demand zone or support line in the developing candles which are forming during the current trading session. Now I'm trying to make some insight of this support and resistance. Support is a place where buyer comes and push the price to a higher side. Coming up buyers is demand, where price did not skid further after a level. That means the price is getting a support. the resistance. Resistance is where the sellers are coming in huge number. Selling pressure is created. It is not going upside. Supply comes and it creates a resistance and the price goes down. So we see A, B, C up to M period. On the Japanese candlesticks, we draw support line and resistance line, but we have to also draw a support line and resistance lines on previous IB high and IB low. Observation 1. Price moving above or below C gives you a buy or sell signal. So we have a buy entry or sell entry. At the same time, the distance of previous IB high and IB low is to be seen. We have to find out whether the price is getting any rejection or not at the IB high or an IB low. The observation 2, unless price moves violating the IB high or IB low with good volume by the OTF trader, other time frame trader, means big volumes buyer or big volume seller, we may not get a higher high level or a higher lower low level in a stock market during the day, because this movement of the price candle always depend upon the volume, because the trading setup in market profile believes in volume. Unless there is a volume, there is no such big movement in volume, the price will not move. If price move without any volume, it may be a fake movement. Now let us come to this picture. This is the chart pattern of Reliance on 30 minutes. See here the price. This blue line is IB high and IB low of today's candle. That means of 21st or a Thursday expiry, weekly expiry date. The, the purple one here is IB high of previous day, and this is IB low of previous day. Now this one is of 19th IB high and this IB low. This is another IB high. This is another IB low. So here A, B, C, this C period high is broken, but the price did not go up as expected by us. That is, while breaking the IB high, the price will go up. It took a resistance, the resistance of IB high of this. So this resistance, unless this resistance is broken with higher value, we won't see the price moving here. See the volume bar is dying up, so it did not go up. On the sell side also, if there was a sell, C period low is broken, there is a sell, but the sell dried up soon. It will form a long leg doji. This price get a resistance here. That means the demand zone, sorry, not resistance, it is a supply demand zone created, a support was formed. This support is of this IB low. So IB low sometimes act as a support. If price move below IB low, it will go down. This is example of IB low breaking and it goes down. But at the same time, you also remember that this IB low breaking, if some buyers come with a big volume and the previous day IB low is breached and breaking the IB low, it may go further up. Here, see, this is the IB low of 18. This IB low was broken, price came down. Next day, price opened, price came down here, and this IB low was broken here. And now see the price go up over here. So there is a rally of at least 50 to 60 points. This IB high, IB low has to be broken from downside to upside for pushing the price upside. Now I will come to the charts to explain more. Let us see on the charts.